My video guide will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called CUNT. This is the ransomware that attacks many Windows computers. It actually encrypts files and appends this extension I have mentioned. This extension is a swearing word in English, so I'm not going to pronounce it. But it is true that this is the ransomware that is called like that. And the ransomware encrypts files and appends this extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the files. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this horrible ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, application will most likely
I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose.
Anti-malware database,
Get Combo Cleaner on the
which is
official
truly
page,
essential for proper detection and removal
So
of
go to
all
this page,
possible
combocleaner.com.
threats
You will see a special
on your computer.
green
Pay
download
attention to
Combo
the fact
Cleaner
that
button.
Combo Cleaner is available
Download the
for all
software,
popular
install
operating
it.
systems, Mac, Windows,
By the
Android,
way, it
and
is available
iOS.
for all popular
So
operating
after you
systems.
click on the Start Scan button, the
Not only
antivirus
Windows,
database will be
download the
updated
software,
first of all,
install it,
and then the
start
scanning will
carefully
begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available.
Let us
It may
start
depend
Combo
on the
Cleaner
system parameters of your computer.
from scratch.
Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system.
To start it,
Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license,
you can go to the C drive,
excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always
because in my
keep your data
case, this
protected.
icon
You can
was
add
also
certain folders on
by
your
the
system, and the
ransomware.
contents
See
of these
program
folders will
files,
be always
and then
under the protection
start
against ransomware
Combo Cleaner from here.
attacks.
If you
And
can do
Combo
that.
Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally
Start the program
well
and begin
when it comes
researching
to
your system.
identifying contemporary threats.
After you
like
start Combo
adware,
Cleaner,
ransomware, all sorts of
application
annoying
will
most
most
likely
first
Combo
of
Cleaner
all
fixes
update
browser
its
redirection
anti-malware
issues,
database,
and definitely
which is truly
what is
essential for
exceptionally
proper detection and
valuable. Combo
removal
Cleaner
of
is
all
able to
possible
protect your
threats
data,
that could
all
be
your cherished
on your
and
computer.
valuable
Pay
information
attention to
that
the
you
fact that
store
Combo Cleaner is
on your
available
hard
for
drive.
all
So use
popular
Combo
operating
Cleaner for
systems,
cleaning your
Mac,
system
Windows,
and for
Android, and
protecting
iOS.
your after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.